Exercise 14. It's an exercise in which we are asked to solve a rational equation. And remember that when solving any type of equation, we have basically three options. First, we can do it by hand. Here, we would have to cross multiply, a quadratic would be formed, and then we would have to follow the discriminant formula. It's something that can be done, but if you're not so familiarized and so confident with operations, you might be tricked. Secondly, we could use a scientific calculator, which would make things way easy. Let me show you here. I'm using the Casio s6e14, and on it there is a command called solven. In order to go there, we need to follow the route option calc solven, and once there, we just create 9x minus 27 over x minus 3 shift, sorry, not here, shift and dot to create the equal sign, x, execute, exit. The answer would be 9. So as simple as that. But similarly, if you're using the TI calculators, there is a similar command. I think it's called nsolve over there. But what if you don't have a scientific calculator? Let's now see how this can be done by Desmos. So I have here Desmos in front of us. There are two different ways. First, we could go directly and on Desmos create this equation. 9x minus 27 over x minus 3 equals x. So you see that here we were given, remember that in Desmos we are given the solutions as vertical lines, so we need to go a bit inside to see the actual solution, which is yes equal to 9. That is the solution. Remember, this is what we found earlier from Casio. Now, I understand that some of you do not feel confident on the exact value. You still don't believe that this is 9. Luckily for you, for the non-believers, there is a second way. We will split the equation into two different graphs. At first, we have the 9x. Let me create 9x minus 27 over x minus 3. This is it. This is that straight line. Let me open the window. That's the straight line over there. And the right side would be like this, like a second line. So we will not see it as one equation, but we will see it as an equality between two different graphs. The one that is the 9x minus 27 over x minus 3, and the other one which is simply x. And then the solution of that would have been the point of intersection, where Desmos can clearly show us that this is the point with coordinates x equals 9 and y equals 9. Remember that when solving an equation, we are solving for x. So again, the solution for that would have been 9. So let's go back and write that here to have it in a clear way. The solution that satisfies that equation is 9.